In this video, you will learn how to change the map background layer. It's a simple process that involves a few clicks. This process will allow you to change the map's background layers to one of the display layers, including Generalized Zoning, General Plan Land Use, the 500-foot school and park zone, coastal zones, transit-oriented communities, waiver of dedication or improvement, as well as digital aerial backgrounds. For this example, I will change the background layer to display the transit-oriented communities. First, click on the map display layer in the toolbar. Then, click on the transit-oriented communities layer. As you can see, the map now displays all transit-oriented communities within the city of Los Angeles. For this next example, we'll display Generalized Zoning by clicking here. Now you can see each parcel's zoning designation. Find out the zoning information for a specific parcel or a group of parcels by first creating a selection. Once the parcels are selected, find the corresponding zoning information under the Planning and Zoning tab. Thank you for watching.